What's going on, guys? Welcome back. It is the 23rd of July. We're going to look here, Aerodrome Finance. It's early here on the East Coast in the morning. We'll look over at Bitcoin, and we're going to take a look over at the CoinMarketCap website. We'll look at some of the data for altcoin season. Taking a dive closer into the charts here. So we had another new recent higher high yesterday for the Aerodrome chart. This is the US dollar pair. We hit a high yesterday of 101. So we finally got back above that dollar mark. We closed at 97, 95.3. So we definitely have some resistance, guys, acting here on the charts. And the level we're going to go for is my 98.599. That's the yellow line on the chart right here. That's the resistance level. And then there is one slightly under that at 98, but the most recent one is the 98.599. Today's quiet so far, just down a little bit. It's an inside day. We don't have a new low from yesterday. We don't have a new high from yesterday. It's an inside day. So this little move that we're seeing here, so within a larger up move, we have smaller moves, okay? So this little up move here, now I don't think this will happen because of the environment we're in. If we get a major pullback here before continuing to the upside, well then yeah, this could play out. But this little up move here, since we have a daily lower high today, could actually be playing out like this. Maybe it takes us back down to the 82.57, possibly down here to the 78. But again, I think unless we get a larger correction, a pullback here in the overall market, I don't think this will play out. But just keep that in mind. 82 to 78, maybe. That's if we don't stop here at where this low is on the 19th, and that is at 85. So we just want to continue to make new daily higher highs and higher lows here for this chart. Once we can get and hold and close above, I should say, 98.599, our next target here for Aero is the 107. We have 107, we have 109, and we have 111. Those are the three targets above the market that we're looking for here. So we'll see how long this, this pullback, these red days last here, and then I think we'll be well on our way. Obviously, if you've been watching, we have the golden cross, 50-day above the 200-day moving average. But so far, 98.599 is our resistance here. Taking a zoom out on the charts, we obviously have a trend that's higher. We have higher lows. We have higher highs. We're not going too parabolic yet, where it's something to be concerned about. We're going, pretty perfect if you ask me. And it's only a matter of time here, unless we get a larger pullback in Bitcoin, that we're going to start to get up, on our way to 107, 109, and 111. Those are our three next targets. So that's pretty much it here for Aerodrome. Let's go drop to the Bitcoin chart, and then we'll jump over to CoinMarketCap. Bitcoin's doing a really good job at holding 116,834 into market support. So as these markets started to break higher here, we had targets at 116. And obviously we broke above that. But now we're just, we're finding support right at that level. It's pretty amazing. 116,834 is that price. Now, if this does continue higher, my next target is 130,000 for Bitcoin. Now, maybe that's coupled, maybe we have another large breakup here for Bitcoin. We get to that 130, dominance starts to drop, and maybe that kind of wraps up this move here, and then we start to get into more of an alt season type market, or at least heading towards that way. But right now, 116,834 is holding nice. We have a very nice 50-day moving average heading higher. Same way as the 200-day, and all is good. So we're keeping an eye on the 116,834. And if we break into new all-time highs, 130,000 for Bitcoin. Let's head over to CoinMarketCap. So as of this morning here, a little after 4 a.m., we have the CMC altcoin season indicator. It's at a 54. So we were pulling back a little bit yesterday, but today we seem to be back up. We're heading towards that 75, I believe it is, which is where we are into altcoin season. So we are definitely heading in the right way. We're starting to see money, as Bitcoin continues higher, but then we're seeing the altcoin season indicator lean towards the altcoins. Money is moving out of Bitcoin into altcoins, even though Bitcoin is continuing higher. So it's an early warning sign that the trend is coming to an end there for Bitcoin. Now, it can go back the other way, but right now it's trending in that direction, guys. 54, we're looking for a 75. Fear and greed index sitting at a 70, so we're a little higher than we have been recently. Yesterday was a 67. Last week was a 68. Last month, we were obviously in fear at a 37, which is pretty wild. I didn't know we moved that far. Some market overview stuff. So, altcoin season index. This is at a 53 here. The altcoin season, let's see, where were we here? Altcoin season index, we're at a 52. So we're going to keep an eye on that, and hopefully it continues heading in that direction of a 70, 75, so we can see some altcoins and Aerodrome finance start to run. So that is going to wrap it up here, guys, for Aerodrome. We continue to hold long Aerodrome. The members on the membership tier, the trading signals continue to hold long that. The portfolio's long, and all is good. So, again, we're watching 98.5. We want to break above that. Obviously, that should get us up above $1. And then 107, 109, 111 are our next targets for Aerodrome. And just in case, if we do get a ugly day or some kind of a big shakeout, our first stopping point, well, we do have a 90. 0.901 is a level, but then we're down here at the basically 88, 84, 82. Those are some levels. And then we have a 78 down here. So these lines represent some areas of market support if we get some kind of a shakeout pullback here in the general markets. Guys, all links are down below. Check them out. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching. If you're not yet subscribed, join us on the channel. And let's see how these markets continue to do here as we're starting to see a shift out of Bitcoin into altcoins. Therefore, Aerodrome finance holders should benefit in the days and weeks ahead. Of course, not financial advice. You guys have a great day.